In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use trailing stop in MetaTrader 5. A trailing stop is a useful risk management tool that helps protect an open trade by automatically moving your stop loss as the market moves in your favor. Instead of manually adjusting your stop every time price changes, MetaTrader 5 can do that for you based on the distance you choose. This can help you lock in profits while still giving the trade room to move. To begin, open the MetaTrader 5 platform. Once the platform loads, make sure you're on the main trading screen so you can view your active positions and the panels you'll need for this setup. Next, go to the Toolbox panel at the bottom of your screen and click on the Trade tab. This area shows your currently open positions along with key details like symbol, profit or loss, and order information. The Trade tab is where you'll manage the position you want to protect with a trailing stop. Now find the specific open position you want to use and right-click on it. This opens a context menu with several trade management options. Be careful to select the correct position, especially if you have multiple trades open at the same time. From that menu, hover over trailing stop. When you do that, another menu will appear showing the available trailing stop settings. This is where you tell MetaTrader 5 how far behind the current price your stop should follow. At this point, you can select one of the preset values. These values are measured in points, and in this case, 10 points equals 1 pip. That means if you choose 50 points, for example, you're setting a trailing stop distance of 5 pips. Choosing the right value depends on how much price movement you want to allow before the stop is triggered. Smaller values keep the stop tighter, while larger values give the trade more space. If you don't want to use one of the preset options, you can click Custom and enter your own preferred point value. This is helpful if you already have a specific risk setting in mind or if your strategy calls for a different trailing distance than the preset choices. Once selected, the trailing stop will be applied to that open position. Keep in mind that the trailing stop follows price only when the market moves in your favor, and it does not move backward if the market turns against you. Also, since the setting is based on points, it's a good idea to double check your conversion so your stop is placed exactly where you want it. And that's how to use a trailing stop in MetaTrader 5.